Hello again. For many of us, it was a mild weekend, but as we go through this week, the temperature is going to drop closer to where we'd expect it to be at this time of year. Now, today we've got this weather front. It's been with us for a while. Met Office has a yellow weather warning out for rain across parts of northern and western Scotland. It expires this evening at 9 o'clock, and by then we could have had as much as 170 millimetres of rainfall. SEPA has some flood warnings in force. Behind the rain, we've got cold air, so the showers increasingly turning wintry. But ahead of the weather front, there's a lot of cloud around. And in the west, we're looking at some light rain and some drizzle. But mild for many, brisk winds today and cold as we push up towards the northeast. Now, through this evening and overnight, this rain heads south, eventually getting through Northern Ireland and into Northern England. There'll be some showers crossing the north of Scotland, which will be heavy with hail and thunder. And for England and Wales, it still is going to be a windy night, quite brisk winds, and also fairly cloudy, but mild. In the north, comparatively colder. So into tomorrow then, the weather front continues to sink southwards. You can see from the squeeze on the isobars that it still is going to be quite windy across southern areas. And we've got the rain sitting across northern England, southern Scotland and Northern Ireland heading into Wales. As the cold air behind it digs in, we could see some winteriness in the hills here. And behind it, increasingly through the day, the wintry showers will be falling at low levels across parts of Scotland, but there'll be a lot of bright weather here, whereas in the south, although it's milder, it is going to remain fairly cloudy. Now on Wednesday, it looks like that weather front will clear, but it will come back later in the day to the southwest. There'll be a lot of dry weather around, and again, some wintry showers. These are the temperatures, 2 in Lerwick to 9 in London, but the milder air where we've got the cloud and the returning weather front. And it's that's going to give us some complications in the forecast Wednesday into Thursday. We've got this area of low pressure pushing north, rain in the south, but it looks like we could well see some snow as well. This could change. I can't emphasize that enough, but it looks like the south will have a blustery day with the rain, but snow could well fall across parts of Wales, parts of England and Northern Ireland, eventually getting into southern Scotland, but drier in the far north.